I'm David Stadnyk. I'm the president and CEO of our company, Supreme Pharmaceuticals. I've been in the investment banking venture capital field for 25 years. I am a serial entrepreneur from owning lots of things, from the Vancouver Whitecaps to the Team 1040 radio stations, and mostly I do oil and gas and pharmaceutical companies for the last 20 years, and we've had a lot of successful companies in those fields. We are aggressively pursuing acquisitions. I would say that we're more aggressively pursuing acquisitions that are up and running than anyone in the business. We're negotiating with lots right now. We made one acquisition, and we expect to have a lot more of a roll-up in the industry over the next few weeks, and we have some news that's forthcoming soon. I think, as I just said, I think the news that they're going to be seeing a lot of is acquisition news and the state of the affairs of those companies that we're acquiring. So I think we're going to have a lot of news coming out. In our company number one that we've acquired, we're in the last phases of our approval process. It's in the Okanagan. We've been dealing back and forth with Health Canada, so we're getting towards the end of that approval process on our facility number one right now. Well, I think that in this field, I would probably invest in a company like Abatis, just because they're a little different than us. We're in the growing side of it, the selling side of it, and I think, like as Warren Buffett said, when there's gold rush going on, you want to be selling picks to it. And I think that's a different approach to someone like ourselves. So I think they're a well-run company. They've got a good market cap, good people leading the company. Well, as people have been saying, it's going to be a multi-billion-dollar business. You know, really the issue comes out to be is when and if the company, the medical marijuana becomes recreational, then I think we're going to see an absolute explosion in the industry. You know, I look to the fact that, I missed out on tobacco, I missed out on alcohol, but I'm right in the sweet spot of medical marijuana. And I think this is a whole new industry that's spawning, and I think that it's going to be worth hundreds of billions in North America. The export market is going to be huge with other countries that we're allowed to do. Right now we're just focusing on medical marijuana. That's a small piece of what's going to be, because we're going to have that whole recreational side to compete with in North America. It could be a free trade agreement or NAFTA that people are talking about, and internationally. So it's going to be, and it's the early stages. There's going to be a lot of weeding out, no pun intended, of the big guys and the small guys, and the big players are going to start coming in and scooping up the licenses, and we plan to have as many licenses and as big of licenses as we can.